Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can schedule a Google Meet from Gmail. So it's really quick and easy. The first thing that you will have to do is go to your Gmail account. So go to your Gmail account, and once you're there, what you will have to do is you will click calendar icon, which is right here, and just wait for it to load. Or you could also do this as well. Click new meeting, and then you will just have to click schedule in Google Calendar. So it would be quicker for you, and just wait for it to load once again. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is click create if you haven't done so. But if this shows up, what you will basically just have to do is add the meeting title, and then you will just have to add the participants if necessary. And you could also uh of course set the correct date for that, and if you want it to be to repeat, then you could also do it as daily, weekly, on Thursday. So it really depends on you, and you just have to make sure that everything is all filled out and correct so that you will be able to successfully schedule your Google Meet. And after that, you will just have to click add Google Meet video conferencing, and a meet link is generated automatically. So it should be okay. So again, what you will have to do is you will just have to fill this all out, and once you're done, you will just have to click save, and it should now be here. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And um you'll just have to copy link it, and then uh once you're done with it, or you could invite via link, and you could just share it to multiple people or to people that you want to send it to. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And you can also edit or reschedule directly in Google Calendar later. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.